Adding a link in the News widget to the Start Here information can help make it even easier for students to find. Also, by using a link, the information resides in a single location, making updates easier than if multiple copies of the information is located throughout the course content. This tutorial demonstrates how to create a link in the News widget to the Start Here information. First, ensure that you are on the home page by clicking Home on the navigation bar. In the News widget, click the down arrow and select New News Item. Provide a headline for the new item, such as Start Here. In the content text area below the headline, add instruction to click here for getting started information. Select the text that you just typed and click on the Insert Quick Link icon, which looks like a chain. Click on the arrow next to Content and again next to the Start Here module. Click on the Getting Started content. In the content text area, the text you selected to link to will turn blue with an underline, as it is now a hyperlink to the selected information. Click Publish. Click on Home in the navigation bar and verify that the Getting Started information is listed. Click on the hyperlink to ensure it takes you to the proper page.